Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to swap Solana in Trust Wallet. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and launch your Trust Wallet application, which of course I have done right here, or which of course I am currently doing. So the first thing that you'll be asked to do is to enter your password or biometrics, passcode or biometrics. And of course, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time in the Trust Wallet. Now, what exactly is Trust Wallet about? Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. Now, you can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one beautiful space. So now that we're here, or now that we've learned about Trust Wallet, let's hop into today's text, which is how to swap Solana right here in the Trust Wallet. So from here, your home page, quickly head over to the bottom corner of your screen. Okay, you're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. You find home, swap, earn, discover in browser. Go ahead and click on browser and it's going to take you right into this window. Now from this search bar, you're gonna have to type in Raydium. So this is Raydium and click the search bar and it's gonna give you the result for that. So this is Raydium. Now go ahead and click on Raydium. Okay. So from this page, we're going to have to create an account on Raydium. So once you have clicked on the launch app button, which was currently in the home page, it's going to take you right into this window. So here you have swap and you have liquidity. Okay, so if you want to swap your Solana, you're swapping Solana, right? You're swapping from, let's say, Solana to something else. Okay, so head over here where you have this from option and click that. So once you click on that drop down menu, okay, so trying to get that click. Okay, so from this page, head over to this where you have this from category. So click on the from category, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you're gonna have more options. Right. So once you click on that, you're going to see a lot of options here. All right, you have these options available. So go ahead and click on Sol. That's the Solana. Now once you click on that, from this tool category, there's this from, and then you have the tool category. You can click on this tool category to select the, okay, so you can just click on that to select the coin that you want to swap Sol into. So let's say you want to swap Sol for Ray. So go ahead and click on that option there. So click on Ray, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to another window where you have other options to select the currency or the coin that you want to swap Solana for. Now, after doing that, the next thing that you have to do is to click on Connect Wallet. Okay, so once you click on Connect Wallet, right, so after selecting the token that you want to swap Solana for, go ahead and click on this Connect Wallet option. So you can now connect your Trust wallet, which is here. So go ahead and click on Trust, and once you select Trust wallet, you're going to see that your Raydium will now be connected to your Trust wallet. Okay, so here in this window, go ahead and click on the connect option, and you see that your Trust wallet is going to be connected. Now you will be able to swap Solana for another token right here in Raydium. So don't forget to enter the balance or select the balance of Solana that you want to swap. So go ahead and click on this and click on that option, and let's say 1000. You type, and after typing that, I don't know why it's just really lagging in here. So just don't forget to type in the balance. After typing the balance, you're going to see the amount of Ray token you're going to get. Okay, so once you type in the balance, please do mind my keys. Once you type in the balance, you're going to see the amount, and the next thing, now it says Trust Wallet connected. So after typing it, you're going to see an option for you to continue with your transaction. Once the transaction is done, you will see that your Solana will be swapped for, okay, now it's coming up and it's just something else. So it's really lagging. So once you see that, the next step is just going to be to complete your transaction. Then you will see that your Solana has been swapped for Ray right there in your Trust Wallet application, or right there in your Trust Wallet. So now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.